it doesn't show up when my instructor goes to evaluate my course, that there's going to be problems with the tabs on the left. Could you just repeat what you said in terms of it not showing up too?
Yeah. So, so what, you want me to put that in the email as well?
Yeah, if you could put it in the email, and if you just could repeat, like explain it to me so that I understand what's the glitch.
So normally or at least not that I've seen, that it didn't make them gray. But what it does is whenever you click on those,
and by the way, is it okay if I record you while you explain this to me, just so I have it recorded? Is that all right?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
All right. So the course navigation, when clicked on any of the syllabus, announcements, modules, assignments, can show an error saying the page has been disabled.
Okay.
Normally they don't gray out. That was something I've not seen so far in the cases that I've had today. There is kind of an easy fix for the time being, which is go into settings, navigation.
Yeah.
And then just resave. All you have to do is just hit the save button.
Right.
And that's how I got them to come back for the time being.
That's
if they
so
do
weird.
go away again, you could try that. But if it says it's disabled, that may not work until we figure out what the issue is. We reported this late last night.
Okay.
Was the first time we heard something about it, so we're still working on it, getting cases, and that's why we're adding you to this tracker.
Okay.
So we have examples.
So basically, these tabs on the left were graying out, and they were inaccessible, basically, to both. Well, I guess to people like students in the course, they would be inaccessible to them. Okay, but it's been resolved, but it may come back, this problem. Is that correct?
For this particular instance,
yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Because we did the settings, navigation, and resaved.
Okay.
It's possible that they could still be disabled, but not grayed out. So you could see them as you see them right now. But if you were to click on it, it would route you back to the home page saying it's disabled.
Oh, that's even more confusing. Okay.
Yeah. The issue overall has not been resolved yet, but that's why we're
and it just started last night.
Yeah, this was in the last 24 hours.
Okay. All right. Did you happen to have other, because I ran into some really strange glitches yesterday. Did you have problems in other areas, not just these modules, or no?
None that we were aware of.
Okay.
No.
Okay, that's fine. Okay. Is there anything else that I should do? Because I want to make sure that I submit this and that my all of those tabs, those like modules and quizzes, are accessible to my instructor. Is there any way you could double check that? Or no?
Let's see here. There wouldn't be a way to double check it. Like I said, if you go to the settings and then navigation, you'll see a list of what's supposed to be visible.
Right.
Even if it was out. And just hitting save on that will refresh it and at least put it back to that. If it continues to happen, we'll just have to wait for that fix to come through, whenever that may be.
Okay. All right. Well, so I guess we don't know if these, if my modules are accessible to my instructor. Is that correct? We're not sure.
Looking into, like I said, as a student, when I was under Tracy Berkman's profile, there's no issues in actually getting in there.
Okay, cool.
Is the instructor in the course?
Yeah, so that's Tony Feister. And, you know, I was just worried because, like I said, these tabs were gray, and I went into settings and they were actually up in the top section that says drag and drop items to record them in the course navigation. So they weren't hidden from the students because they were in this upper part, but they were grayed out. So I was just wondering if Tony, my instructor, who's also registered in this course, if she was going to be able to see what's in the modules and what's in the discussions, and et cetera.
Gotcha. Okay. So going through the course right now, under her profile, she has access to everything.
Okay, cool.
She's good to
All right. That sounds wonderful.
Okay, and that email, it'll be coming out to you shortly here. I'm just finishing up the details of that.
Okay. Thank you so much.
No problem. You have a great day.
Okay. Thanks. Bye. So, Tony, I just wanted to give you a heads up that I think you understood from that phone call. I just started recording it because I wanted to make sure that you knew that this was going on. I guess 24 hours ago, these tabs on the left, I guess, started to light gray out for no reason. It's like some kind of glitch. And it didn't happen to me until I just came into my office to finalize everything, and I noticed they were light gray. So I called into Canvas to let them know, and it's some kind of glitch. He reset it for me, and I think that you should have access to the tabs and the modules and pages, etc. But if you don't, would you please let me know? I guess. If you need me to forward you the email where he said there was a problem with those left tabs, I can do that. But it sounds like it's going to work out fine. But I just wanted to let you know about it. Okay, bye. Thank you so much for your help.